Hey there! Today we'll talk about Money Robot VPS. I will give you a couple tips to keep the VPS optimized. Let's start with CC Cleaner. Let's open one. I will show you here just this one. What you need to do is double click down here. You will find the icon, the CC Cleaner or C Cleaner really icon, and then you just need to run Cleaner, and it's going to delete all the temporary files and cookies and everything. Look, I just did it, and look how many files delete. I usually do it every Monday, and that way I don't forget about it. First things on Mondays, I'm going to take every VPS I have running, and I'm going to run the C Cleaner. Something else is really important, and is something really common. People think you need to keep your campaigns in Money Robot. You don't. After your campaign is done, go ahead and take any URLs or any information you would like to have, because at the moment you delete the campaign, you are not coming back to the campaign. It's not possible to get or grab any information from that campaign. That's why it's so important before you delete it is to grab any information, any important information for you. Like, grabbing all the URLs, all the tier 1 to show to your client, or whatever you are looking for. After you do that, please delete it. You don't need it in Money Robot system, okay? But because all the URLs are already in the system, and it's gonna be, going through the process of indexing and everything. But what is happen is gonna get really slow your VPS if you keep it here. Also, in some point, maybe your campaigns are not running, or you can't create a campaign because you have so many in here. Sometimes we found people coming to us asking why they are not running or they can't create it, and it's because they have like 100 campaigns. They are all campaigns in there. You don't need it, okay? I hope this is going to help you. Please let me know if you have any question. And until the next one.